you have to write a logic to generate an enable signal as high whenever on the address line is either the value 37H or 77H. So friends, you have to fill this black box, and the functionality of this black box is whenever on these address lines there is a value 37 or 77H, this enable signal should go high. And this is a combination logic block. And you can pause my video here and take your time to think of its answers. Otherwise, I will let you know the answer. In the very first step, you should write the binary number as we discussed earlier also. So the binary number for 37H is this one, and for 77H it is this one. From here you can easily derive the expression of this enable signal. Let me tell you the expression. So now enable signal will be equal to address 7 bar, because here is a 0, into address 6 bar, into address 5, because here is 1, into address 4, into address 3 bar, into address 2, address 1 and address 0. And now because we have added this 77H, enable should be high for this value also. So we have to write plus sign here. Plus sign means OR operation. So 0 meaning address 7 bar, into address 6, into address 5, into address 4, into address 3 bar. Address 2, address 1 and address 0 will remain without bar. So this will be the final expression for this enable signal. And from here you can easily draw its logic circuit diagram.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.